Hello everybody, today I'm going to be taking a quick look at the Jetson Bolt Pro and some of the features it has. So the first thing I think we'll notice is the all black body, which makes it a nice looking bike. Now some of the features it has is that the rear fender and the front fender are made out of plastic. Some other parts are also made out of plastic, and some parts are made out of metal, such as the frame, which gives it a nice look to it. Both the front and the back wheels have disc brakes, which are really nice for an e-bike, and both the front and the back wheel are also pneumatic tires, which are air-filled tires and which can be refilled with air through the little pipes it has on the bottom. Now as you see, the battery compartment is located in the middle. This is enough to power you 15 miles just using the throttle, just using the electric mode, and 30 miles while pedaling. Now as you see, there's pedals, and when you pedal and when it's on, you can automatically get an assist from the bike. Simply press the button on the left of the handlebar one time, and you can see that 4 green LEDs appear on the right. This is useful for knowing your battery percentage as well as estimating your mileage on this. There's also a button on the right side, which when you press for 4 seconds, there's an LED headlight on the front that actually turns on, which is useful for guiding you through the night. The bike is powered by a 350 watt hub motor in the rear tire, which is perfect and which is actually a lot of power compared to other e-bikes. I like how Jetson incorporated a bell for you to signal for pedestrians if they're in your way. I also like how they have a reflector on the front and a reflector on the back, which is useful when you're riding at night or just during the day wanting to see if cars can see. The handlebars on either side are made out of plastic, and to go forward without pedaling, you just simply press and pull back on the throttle. You can see that the disc brakes are controlled by these handle brakes on the front. They're made by metal, which is a plus for some e-bike users like me. The seat, after using it, is very comfortable. It's made out of foam and what looks to be some leather on the top, and you can see that the whole thing is actually foldable, just the handle on the front. If I pull this, which usually requires some force, you can see that I have opened the latch and that I can bend down the handle and fold it. I think Jetson did a very good job in hiding all the cords and make sure all the wires are nice and secure and safe so you don't get tangled up while you bike. I also like how they have some stylish wheels which give the bike a nice expression when riding. I like how Jetson also incorporated a very heavy duty kickstand, which is useful when you're parking it in a store or parking it in your house. Some notable features Jetson has added is they added this battery powered light here, which when you press you can turn on so cars can see you from behind. They also added some spring loads for the seat so it's nice and comfortable when you ride it. Jetson also did a very great job in protecting their chains so you don't get hit or cut by them when riding the bike. Jetson has also added a nice and powerful charger to charge this unit. I think they really did a good job in making the cord port right here so it's not getting tangled when you use it. Jetson also provides a very nice cord to charge it. It's a fast charging cord, so the unit will charge in about 4 hours. Some features and mods I added is this rack I got from Schwinn. They make really high quality racks, and this rack I can put a bag on top of it or hang some pannier bags. I've also added this cup holder here, perfect for putting your water bottle when riding and perfect for putting any cup or drink. Overall, I think this bike is worth the purchase because it is versatile and it is very compact and powerful up the hills and on the road. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Most of our viewers are actually not subscribed, but we really appreciate every single subscribe we get. And check out our other videos if you like this one. We'll see you next time.